And it was an emotional scene in court today. A man accused of killing his estranged wife in front of at least one child appearing before a judge today. It is the first murder since 2015 in Jeffersonville. Our Kayla Moody talking with acquaintances today about the woman who they say lit up the room.
Rachel, this afternoon, Judge Vicki Carmichael granted the prosecution's request to hold accused killer Marial Wel without bond. Prosecutor Jeremy Mole calling the man a danger to the public and a flight risk. Mr. Well, your little boy was crying.
What would you say to your kids?
Anything to say to him?
Just tell them I love them so much. What I did is my mistake.
Marial Wel appeared emotional, leaving the courthouse, screaming out a message for his children as he was taken away in handcuffs.
I think it's settling into him now that he's going to be held accountable for his actions, and he was emotionally, visibly reacting to that today. Prosecutor
Jeremy Mole calling it a brutal crime. Well is accused of murdering his estranged wife early Sunday morning at her apartment in Jeffersonville, shooting her twice in front of their teenage daughter.
I think this crime's unspeakably tragic, and the fact that the 13-year-old daughter did see her own mother executed there in that apartment.
The victim, 35-year-old mother of four, Josephine Amon. Her family breaking down outside the courtroom.
Just the thought of someone wanting to do anything bad to her was a shock.
Brittany Green says she only worked with Josephine for about a month at Legacy Supply Chain Services, but even in that short time, Josephine touched her life.
She was like a mom figure to everybody. She had her home family, she had her home friends, but when she came into Legacy, she also had a family there too. I don't think anyone there disliked her, and just her being there made a lot of people's days better.
Still in shock and disbelief, Green says there is no justice for the horror that claimed Josephine's life. Those close to her never thought any amount of darkness could steal her light.
I don't think there's anything that could fix what he's done. There's nothing he could do. Those were his kids, and to know that he left his children like that, that's beyond terrible.
The Clark County prosecutor called Well a flight risk in part because he's from South Sudan and not a U.S. citizen. Mole says there could be procedures that result in Well being deported, but Mole is moving forward with prosecution. Well is due back in court late next month. Rachel?